So this is what it looks like. This is 30 pounds of chicken. I have it at 400 degrees. And what I'm going to do is do 25 minutes. And then I'm going to rotate the bottom to the top. And then I'm just going to keep rotating it out. All right, we're done. Look it. All right, now I wanted to explain kind of how I did it. Inside the oven, I rotated the tray. So the tray that was right here, I did 2 trays at a time. And then what I did was, after 20 minutes, I then flipped the tray that was at the bottom to the top and the one on top to the bottom. And I cooked that for 20 minutes. Then after that was done, I grabbed this tray, I lifted it to the top, but then I rotated it this way. And then the one that was up top, I put it down below, and instead of it keeping it this way, I rotated it that way. And then I cooked it for 20 minutes, and then I rotated it, and then I put the one on top on the bottom and the bottom on top. So I cooked it in 4 increments of 20 minutes. So 20, 20, flip, flip, 20, 20, rotate, rotate, 20, 20. So I did it 4 segments. So that's how it is. But look at this. This is great. So I'm going to end up bagging these up, and this would be around 14 meals for the family. I'm going to go ahead and bag up 2 of them. And then everyone's not going to get a whole leg. The kids don't eat much meat. And, you know, meat isn't the best for us, but we just need a taste of it. And we do like to have our meat. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 per bag. Yeah, so there we go. But it's all nicely seasoned. If I want to, I can put curry on it. I can put Cajun on it. I can put cumin on it. You know, you can put soy sauce on it. Because all the flavors on here is just real basic. Because remember, the only thing I used was onion powder, garlic, crushed garlic, salt, and pepper. And that is it. And that's just basics. So again, I can add whatever I want to it. Soy sauce, teriyaki, I can put it in a gravy. The skin is on. I think I'm going to end up taking it off because if I leave it on, we're going to eat it. And the skin is not the healthiest. So I'm thinking I'm going to take it off. If you want the skin, you can definitely keep it on. But yeah, you can even keep the skin, take it off, and then you can use the skin and make stock with it. So, you know, it's very versatile. But this is great, though. So this is basically it. And I cooked it at 400 degrees, 20 minutes, and I kept rotating it and rotating it. So again, you know, 1 here and 1 here. Top to the bottom, bottom to the top. Another 20 minutes. After those 20 minutes, which is 40 minutes, then I rotate it down, but instead of just rotating it down, I swapped it like that and put it in. And then the one that was on top, the one that was on the bottom, I raised it on up, and then I put it in like this, and then 20 minutes, 20 minutes. So it was a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, so 1 hour and 20 minutes. Yes. So this is it, all in the stove, wonderfully beautiful. And definitely if you wanted to cook a little less, I let it brown a little bit more. But you can definitely just take your meat thermometer out and make sure it's all cooked. But this is it. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Cooking in bulk is a lovely thing. This is how I'm able to make my dinner super fast. But this is great. All right, so with all that's going on, I definitely like to say I pray that all is going well for you, your friends, family, and your loved ones. I thank you for watching this because, again, I know you can be doing other things with your time. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. And take care, and definitely, God bless. Sorry, on another note, this is the liquid that came out of the chicken. Halfway through, there was juices in it. So I poured it in here because if you see my pan, it's not a shallow pan, but it's not. I should have had a deep pan for it, but I didn't have it. I want to use what I have, so I just poured out the juice. And this is great because I can use it for gravy. And this right here is grease. So a little later on, that's going to turn white. I'm going to scrape that off, and I'm going to save that, and I can use that for grease. So you got to use everything. And the rest of it, the stock, I'll use that to make stock or soup or whatever it is I want to use it with. So anyway, that's just another tidbit. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.